the super duper feature update. It's super duper duper.
That's the billing page for partners. What up, Super fam? We love partners. Boop, real big. Here is a specific development for y'all. It is the ability to add custom billing pages for your clients. Super Matt, take it away.
What's up, everybody? I'm going to demo really quickly how you can add a custom UI block to the billing page for your clients. All right, so here on the left, I have my partner account, and on the right over here, I have my client account. And when my clients go and they navigate through the settings and they stumble across this billing page, and then they'll see the default super pricing and subscription information. I want to be able to customize what they see when they go to that page. And so now what we've introduced is the ability to add a custom UI block to customize the content that is there and then to get those clients where they need to be. All right, so let me navigate over to the custom UI blocks page, and then you can see there's this new editor that lets me add content. And so I have some content I've actually prepared. Let me just paste it in real quick. And then I'm going to click save. And once I save, it says, all right, sweet, they're now live. So the next time my client goes to this page and wants to view the billing, they should now see the content that I've put here in this custom UI block. So I'm going to refresh. And boom, and there you go. And that's how it works.